The axolotl is a small, smiling salamander that never grows up. It keeps its baby features for its entire life. And it can do something almost no other animal on Earth can do. If part of its brain is removed, it grows it back. Not scar tissue, not a rough patch, actual functioning brain. In 1964, researchers discovered that adult axolotls could regenerate large sections of their brain after injury. Decades later, scientists at ETH Zurich and the Institute of Molecular Pathology in Vienna mapped the process cell by cell.
It is pulsing
They found the
rhythmically.
axolotl doesn't just grow generic replacement cells. It rebuilds the exact same types of neurons that were lost and reconnects many of them to the surrounding brain tissue, restoring real function to the damaged region. Researchers even discovered a completely new type of cell during this process, a kind of in-between neuron never seen in axolotls before, quietly involved in turning basic cells into fully working brain tissue. Here's the part that still stops scientists. They can now describe exactly how the new brain cells form. What they still don't know is what tells the axolotl's body to start. What signal flips the switch and says, "Begin rebuilding right now." If researchers ever fully crack that signal, it could change how doctors think about repairing damaged human brains. For now, the axolotl keeps quietly doing something medicine still can't fully explain.